Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg, for those of you who do not know me, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get easy affiliate traffic and money for beginners. These are the two biggest obstacles that beginners and newbies face is how to get enough traffic and how to make money with affiliate programs and how to make money in general. They are looking for ways to help them do both. And this site, Daily Ads, which is in pre launch currently, is absolutely amazing. And you can literally automate your ad promotions. I mean, the outside of the site, when you look at it, what you're going to see is not going to explain totally what's on the inside because there's so much more on the inside than what the outside says. And so you really need to watch this entire video so you completely understand what this site is all about. And I will leave a link in the video description underneath this video where you can join for free so you can see the inside. So don't hesitate. You don't like it, delete your account. But otherwise, join for free. Get in the inside because you want to see what I'm about to show you and see it in a lot more depth than what I'm going to do in this video. You have never seen anything like this. If you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, you're in MLM, you have never seen anything like this. There are so many caveats to this system, and they're not even close to done with everything that comes out because remember, this is in pre-launch. So I'm going to go to the members area here, and I'm already logged in. And you can see there's a scrolling thing on top, and I could go to start here, dashboard, and stuff like that. There's a lot, that's where you want to start. You go there, it gives you a bit of instructions on what to do next. But I'm going to go through this very quickly, and I want to point out some key things really fast. So make sure you keep watching. So one of the first ways you can advertise is rotators. So as a free member, you can come in here, go to the rotators, and you can come here and look at any of the programs that are listed in here. These are a lot of very popular affiliate programs: OLSP, Udemy, Leads Lead, My Lead Gen Sacred, 3 Leads a Day, Hercules, MLM Gateway, Bazillion Club, Wise, Thinking in Reality, Live Good, Biggest Business Opportunity, Lead Lightning 2.0, MLM Center. These are well thought out programs that many people are in. Now, we're not in a ton of these. We have like 3 IDs in place for us because there's a lot more to this that we're interested in than having our IDs in place for all these different things that we're not a member of. But you can join these programs if you like them and put your IDs in place, not your affiliate link. You just put your ID in place, and you will literally get traffic for all of these things because this company will rotate your links for you in all of the traffic that they have available. Then you also have your link tree. Your link tree is where you can come in and add your own programs. And this is what really interested me, is because I want to add my own programs that I am a member of so that I can get traffic to those. So what you need to do to be able to add your own links is you need to become a bronze member, which is a measly $10 a month plus like $1 admin fee a month. It's $11 a monthly, and you want to do that so that you can have your own programs being advertised. You get your own link tree. Many people know what a link tree is. You actually have a link to your link tree. You can use it yourself as well, where you can add your social profiles and all of your different things that you want to promote on your link tree. And everybody has, you can see copy my link tree right here. And so beyond that, there are other ways to advertise on here. You've got what's called ad swipes. You come back here and you are able to post whatever you are promoting in here. And you can see even free members have been able to post. Bronze, these people are all upgraded. Bronze, see how many people take advantage of this. Silver, we're already silver in here. You got silver members, and people are posting their ads because they are getting a traffic and attention. The other two things are rotating through their traffic. And, besides that is currently available, you have broadcast. So you can come back here, broadcast your ad. Your ads get placed in order below here where people can view exactly what you have posted. So if you're looking to gain referrals, remember a lot of these people are in affiliate marketing, they're in MLM, they're in network marketing. They're looking to make more money. They're looking for tools and services that will help them make more money. So people are going to be interested in your offers if you are in those niches. The make money online niche, network marketing, as long as it's tied to an active program where you can actually earn money. These are great ways to advertise. And you have that, and there's much, much more to come. I haven't even explored every little thing back here. You got strategies here, free cash here, leaderboard, wallet, matrix, and memberships. But there's a host of ways to get traffic, and there's more to come. This is in pre-launch. When something is in pre-launch, you want to jump on it immediately. You want to go get yourself a free account and then immediately upgrade to bronze, because you want to be in here as this thing develops. You don't want to wait and see what happens. Those are the people who don't capitalize on the initial wave of massive growth, because people are joining this every single day. We are referring new members. We have a very robust team that is absolutely crushing it. And the reason we are doing that is because of the memberships. So I already told you about that first level of bronze. That's a little small matrix, a 2x5, where you can literally earn $5 recurring commissions for every personal referral you refer here. On top of that, you can earn up to $99 from the matrix monthly. And this is a small matrix, but this gets you extra advertising as well. Login ads, 3 ad swipes versus 1. And when you upgrade to silver like we are, because that's the next matrix available. And this is what we are very interested in, is because of the fact this site allows you to eventually, you will be able to use your commissions that will pay for your upgrades in the future into the other matrices. That's one of the caveats that will be released in the future, but you don't want to wait. When you want to make money in affiliate marketing and network marketing, you want to jump on these things immediately. So silver is $27 a month. Plus, I think it's $2. I think I paid $29 monthly for silver. Silver gives you even more advertising, but here's where it gets really good money starting to come in. So daily ads uses a structured matrix system designed to help every member create stable and scalable recurring income. And your bronze earnings help cover your future silver and gold memberships without extra out-of-pocket cost, because these are forced matrices. So you will earn money from the activities of your upline, us, our sponsors, the company. Every person that comes in automatically flows down, fills these bronze pools, and once our bronze pool, which I think has already been filled, is we continue to get this $5 recurring commission from every new person we get, but we also put it into a general pool where it helps fill other people's bronze pool matrices so that they can earn $99 from the matrix without referring anybody. That is all the things that are being built into this that make this extremely unique. But now what I want to show you is the silver matrix, where I go here now. Silver matrix, like I said, $27 a month, I think plus $2. But anyway, you can earn up to $8,718 monthly. This is an extremely high-paying matrix per person, per level. Now, in my other videos I did about daily ads, this was before they actually finished doing the matrix plan, and I had quoted $4,000 some dollars a month, but I was wrong. It's actually over $8,000 a monthly in the silver matrix. And you can see you got 3 people on your first level. You can earn $2 per person, which equals 6. 9 on your second level, $2 per person. 27 on your third, $4 per person. Your fourth level, 81 people on that level, $4 per person. Next level, $4 per person. Next level, $4 per person on that level. Next level, $2 per person on that level. There are many matrices out there that have blown up into the tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people that have paid a quarter per person in the matrix. A quarter. Only 25 cents. That means in those matrices, you would literally need 40 people to even break even if it was $10 a month or anything like that. And if it was $27 a month, you need a lot more money than that. This matrix pays high, again, whether you refer people or not. Now, if you're in the 1% marketers like we are and you can pound people into this, you are going to make a lot of money very quickly because these are small matrices and you are going to help a lot of other people earn money, real money, not pennies, but dollars. And you look at these totals, total people in this matrix, this silver matrix, is only 3,279 people, and you're earning over $8,000 a month. Because you're earning from the bronze matrix and all your personal referrers that $5 every time you bring somebody in. Now, realize there are marketers out there that over time can put thousands of people into a matrix like this. Just like me and my son, we can literally put thousands of people in. And because we never stop marketing, we are content marketers that we have YouTube videos, we have blog posts, we have content on all social media, plus we post stuff all over on ad sites that remain permanently, and we literally get referrals to stuff still that we've been members of for like 15 years, and we can never ever quit anything we are part of because of the fact that we keep referring people. And there are a lot of people like that that will come into this because, again, what is the easiest thing to sell online when it comes into affiliate marketing, network marketing, is traffic. Everybody needs traffic in order to be successful or make any money. So that's the silver matrix. Now, this thing has one more that isn't out yet, which, because again, this is in pre-launch, so things are going to be released. Little glitches here and there will be fixed as they go. I've talked to the owners. They are super committed to what they're building here, and they have told me they have a ton more to come, and they are constantly working behind the scenes 24/7 on everything they have planned for the site. This ain't nothing yet. And like I said, when you get this inside, you'll be blown away by how much value is back here, let alone everything that gives you the possibility to earn and the leg up for beginners and new people who don't have any experience. Because again, you need to take part in these matrices because you can earn money without referring a single person if you don't have experience. This gold membership, that when it comes out, I'm expecting this to pay out way big money. Way big money. Because you look at these first two, they've designed this perfectly where bronze leads into silver, but because your bronze earning help cover your future silver and gold memberships without extra out-of-pocket cost eventually, that is amazing. That means eventually in here you should be able to switch on where commissions that you're receiving just get taken out of your earnings, which is perfect because that eliminates a lot of failure points in recurring memberships where payments fail sometimes. I mean, that's just the way it is. People get a card stolen somewhere in their life or fraud and they have to get a new card, or they got an emergency expense that comes up and they max out their credit card, or they're behind on their bills. That covers this. This helps keep more active members as they are growing their income because of this caveat right here, which is very, very important to helping people earn more money. But I cannot wait for this gold matrix to come out. So when you join us from our link below this video I have done in the description, just click on more. The link will be there. When you join us, make sure you come in here and go bronze and silver immediately. Because we're not playing around with this. We are referring people every single day to this system. So get your traffic, come earn money. You don't need any experience. Go through every little thing back here. Just crawl through it, click on tabs. Don't be afraid to do that, and realize this is in pre-launch. It's not even full launch yet. Just get positioned immediately and start getting your traffic, and just stay in and be motivated to just, if you have experience advertising, start advertising. And if you don't, I can help you with that. No problem. We will get your information when you sign up, and I will send you information to help you start being able to advertise. And this, you don't need to spend money on advertising out there. There are plenty of free methods that you can use, plenty of things that have optional upgrades to buying traffic if you have a budget. But otherwise, let's go. This thing is absolutely amazing, and we are crushing it, and we'll continue to crush it with this because we absolutely love this entire system, and so are you. So other than that, my friends, we will see you on another video, and have a great day.